Hello everyone, Tasha is here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how do I make this flower. Using crepe fabric. Now I cut the bottom part with metal ruler because I don't want it to fray when I sew them later. This is a handmade metal stencil. The link is below for tutorial. Now I cut the fabric with solder iron, and the length of this petal is about 65 centimeter. I just pull it gently. This is how it looks. Perfect cut, no fray, and no black burn appear. Now I sew this petal with single thread and running stitch. Pull it gently and fix some folded edge. Now I lock the stitch by sew the last stitch twice and cut the remaining thread. Now I just roll it like this and very tight, very tight. Then put hot glue in the bottom. Then attach the white flower base and press it gently. It's done. Very neat and beautiful. Thank you so much for watching and hope you get benefits from this tutorial. Have a nice day.